chromate that's being used after I've done the electroplating in zinc. So I ordered from Caswell Plating these two component parts called black chromate, part A and part B. And in the manual it says to mix them in a proportion of 9:1. So I'm about to install the first one. So 2 ounces is exactly one of these measuring cups filled to the brim. And now we're going to install part B. 2 ounces of part B. It's a gorgeous yellow color. Now the instructions talk about dropping the contents in here for between 30 and 120 seconds. Okay, just drop that in for, see what happens. 1, 2, well, 30 seconds. It's going to take a little while. Seconds. It's definitely getting darker. "60 seconds. I'd say it needs a little more. Just stirring it to keep they say you want to keep the bubbles off it while it's doing this chemical reaction. Okay, that's 2 minutes. Kind of underwhelming. Doesn't look very black to me. It actually still looks zinc. When I wipe the chromate off it, it doesn't appear to have taken at all. So something's amiss. No, it's my imagination that it was getting darker. It was just getting coated with that material, but it's all wiping right off. You can see here on the cloth it's just coming off, and this doesn't appear to be any different than what it was when I put it in. So I'm not too impressed. I'm going to try a bolt that I zinc plated yesterday. There's 30 seconds. Hard to tell because this stuff doesn't come off so easily. Doesn't look like much. We'll try it again. That's 60 seconds. It's hard to tell. I'm just going to wipe the head for a second and just see what it looks like. Not much. This might need to be dipped in an acid bath before I do this. So I don't have my acid bath in here, it's out in the yard, and I don't want to bring it in here because it just is so caustic. The fumes just rust everything. So if this isn't going to work until I have the acid bath working, I'll have to wait for nicer weather to get these things to chromate. Which is kind of a bummer, but I'm afraid that's the best I'm going to be able to do. Just leave that in there for a while. So I'll bring you back if I have anything to show. Well, interestingly enough, some of the bolts are taking it well and some of them aren't. So here's an example of kind of what I thought I was going to get. This is still pretty shiny, as you can see here, but it's definitely darker than what it started with there. Here's one that was one of the large bolts that was laying on the table, and you can see how much, darker that is than the original zinc plating. So clearly this chemical is capable of doing something, but I'm just not sure I'm doing the right preparation work. So I'm going to keep going, get them as dark as I can, because that's really what's called for, and then we'll take it from there. But that's the zinc chromating process. So here's a shot of what I'm doing in the. I put a little tiny dish down in there, and I'm letting these bolts soak, but I'm having to go quite a bit longer than 30 seconds, that's for sure. And I can't even say for sure that that's that's quite what I'm going for. I'm really going for something that's more black. This just looks like dull silver, and then when I clean them they get even brighter. So I'm a little, I don't know, I'm a little confused. I don't know that I'm doing the right process, I think. But hey, I got one good one. and it turned out really pretty good. That looks great. That's nice and black, and the head, it's very consistent. So that's what I'm going for. Talk to you later. Okay, well, so the chromate solution has become quite black, really. So I think maybe I just needed to give the chromating solution a little time to, I don't know what to call it, maybe to react to the zinc. But anyway, I've put a bunch of more of my bolts in there now, and you can see here that almost all of them have taken the chromating pretty well. Just by reference, these used to look like that. So that'll give you an example of how much darker they've become. Some of them are getting this little dustiness. It almost looks like rust, but I don't think it is. I think it's just the black chromating coating. Anyway, it's working. It's not perfect. I mean, they're not pitch black. Like a hot dipped oil bolt might look like, or the black iron kind of stuff, but it's definitely darker than bright zinc, so it's taking me in the right direction. I've got some more stuff brewing, So here's another batch of smaller ones that were zinc plated the other day, so I showed those on the video, so you'll recognize these little short set screws. And you know, when they first come out of the bath, they look great, right? They look perfect, right? Because they're kind of even coated and shiny and everything. But then when I take them out, rinse them off with water, and then start wiping them off to dry them so I don't get any rust, what I find is that the coatings are not uniform as they may look. I'll give you an example of that here. Here's one that you can see there's some little unevenness to the way that took. But you know, what I care about is the head, and that looks okay, because that's what's going to show, that and the nut. So, but the nuts aren't chromated, they're just silver, so I don't have to worry about those. I'll just put them on as new bolts, or sorry, as they come out of the bags. I've had this in here a lot longer than 60 seconds or even 120 seconds too, by the way. So I'd say this was more like 4 to 5 minutes of soaking, maybe even more in some cases. Well, I got the first A-arm on for the front suspension. That's the lower one right there. So a little experimenting around to get that on there. It was a bit of a chore because it goes in as an assembly. And this block here wedges in or fits into the picture frame, the cross member, and then that block back there on the back side has to also fit into a bracket frame, and you got to get them both to go in at the same time. It was a bit of a chore. I finally got it in, so it's in there now. And you know, I printed out my big diagrams for the front. I had the diagrams that the guy made, and then I got another one over here out of the manual. So just taking my time, doing it nice and easy, nice and slow. Here's all the bolts now. I think I finished up. I did all the little ones just a minute ago, and I did a little quick brass brushing on them to get some of the crud. It's sort of like, it creates like this little powdery yellow substance on them. I guess that's from the black chromate. So anyway, there's my bucket of goo. Got kind of black after I did a bunch of stuff, so I'm gonna cover that puppy up and going in for the night. Denise just came out and said, "Time to come in." It's getting kind of late, so I'll go in the house. And yeah, Denise got the flu, so she's feeling really bad today, so I feel bad for her too. It's kind of yucky. There we go. So anyway, that's it from me. I just wanted to let you know I'm out here on Saturday working on the blackening all the bolts, getting that thing organized. Took a little while, and learning how to do this really was a bit of a challenge. I didn't really know what I was doing. So have a good weekend, guys. Oh yeah, Greg, hey, thanks for the advice. I got it all covered up in some dust covers now, so you know, bumps and scratches aren't going to get me in trouble. So talk to you guys soon. Bye.